Yes, John, this is Ray, and in this video I wanted to go over your new website with you. This is the website that I've set up for Modesto casino parties, and based on the examples that you gave me and our phone conversation, I felt that this is the absolute best framework and layout to present a really fun feel to the website, really give it that casino look, make it very modern, but not make it so cluttered that it's confusing for the website visitor to navigate around. For example, this is the home page. You can see I have a full-size background for the website. The background is something you can change pretty easily, only takes a couple minutes. I'm going to set up a feature where you can edit the background using the visual editor. So maybe every other month you could have a different background. One background could be a deck of playing cards, another could be this roulette table I already have, maybe a casino chip a month later. So maybe every month you could change the background, give it a nice unique twist. And then on the home page you'll notice I have your logo here. When you provide me with the logo, this is where I'm going to put it. I've allowed enough room to go basically all the way from left to right, and then you have your social icons here. I've added a nice pop-up feature to these social icons, and these will link to your network such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. And I've also added the same pop-up feature to the navigation bar. So this is the navigation bar that leads to all of the other pages, and whenever you hover your mouse over it, it'll have a nice little pop-up effect. So again, I just wanted to add some unique touches to the website. You'll also notice that the website has a slider, and this slider automatically rotates every few seconds. You can have a different image. Maybe a good idea would be to have a picture of an actual event that you've thrown, and each picture can have a headline. So you can actually have real pictures here of events that you guys have set up in the past, and you can have a headline for each picture. Again, this is very easy to update as often as you want, because I'm sure that throughout using the website there will be times that you might want to change the slider. Maybe have some images for the holiday seasons. You can use your imagination and change the slider based on the seasons or the type of events that you're promoting. So you can change the slider as often as you want. You can have a headline for each one, and then when you go down towards the bottom of the home page, what I wanted to do is really make it easy for people to go to the main three sections of your website. We have the About Us, Services, and the Event Gallery. And again, when you put your mouse over any one of these, it will have a nice little pop-up effect. And also towards the bottom of the home page, we have your contact information here. I'll put that you have that you service Modesto and surrounding, your phone number and email. Also a good idea to have maybe some testimonials, what people have said about your service. And we could also have some articles about throwing a fun party. So maybe you could put together 4 or 5 articles about throwing a fun party, and we could have that on the website. And within each article you can work in the different ways Modesto casino parties can add to the fun and excitement of any event. And then also here I have a nice effect showing the different types of tables that you have to offer, such as craps, and then blackjack, roulette, and this will automatically rotate every few seconds. So you can see that the home page is very eye-catching, very professional, really gets the person to go right to the main sections that you have to offer. For example, if someone clicks here on Services, they'll be taken to the Services page. And you can see on the Services page I put some dummy content here. You can log in, and using the visual editor, it's up to you to put whatever you like on these individual pages. But you can see that I've set up a nice toggle effect to where you can really bring the attention to your 3 areas of service. You have casino table rentals, and then when you click on this, it'll drop down for more elaborate details on the types of tables you offer. You have the different party packages, and then when you click on that, you can view the different packages. And also you can go over the different fundraising services that you have. You'll notice that every page has a uniform look. You have the sidebar, and I thought that it would be a good idea here to put Modesto Casino Parties is perfect for example, birthday parties, corporate events, bachelor parties, birthdays. You can put whatever you like here. And then when you click here, get a quote now, it's easy and free, you'll be taken to the page where people can actually request a personalized quote. You can put in your name, your phone number, your email, select the date of the event, the time, select whether you want a package deal, and then people can actually select the type of package, or if they just want to rent tables and chairs, for example, the gaming tables, they can put that here. This form I can fine-tune further after you tell me exactly the type of information you want to collect from the people that want to request a quote. I can customize this form for you. And then you'll notice that, again, every page has the same overall layout. For example, this is the About Us page, and on the About Us page you can put the different features of Modesto Casino Parties, the different areas of expertise, and you can elaborate more on each one. So I've added nice effects here. Instead of making it all text that's kind of boring looking, you can break down the main benefits of Modesto Casino Parties on the About Us page. For example, in this tab you can go over how many years you've been in business. In this tab you can go over your mission statement and your dedication to service. In this tab you can go over the different areas that you service in the Central Valley. So each one of these tabs can be something else, and it's very easy for you to update that. And also the event gallery page, I thought that it would be a good idea to have a page where you can just show some pictures of different events that you've thrown. Maybe show pictures of actual parties where your tables are being featured. I'm using some dummy pictures here, but it's very easy for you to update this page and load it with actual pictures of parties that you guys have had your tables displayed at. People can take a look and see the setup. So this is a good gallery page for you to just put some pictures here for people to see what you're all about. On the frequently asked questions page, this page, what I've done is I've allowed it to basically give you a place where you can have your most common questions and answers. So you can put your most common questions and answers on this page. When someone clicks on a question, the answer will drop down. And the way I've set it, the reason I set it up this way is so that you can have a huge number of Q&As, and by having the answer appear only when you click on the actual question, it makes everything nice and neat, really tight. You don't have this page scrolling on forever, because if you displayed both the question and answer for each one, it would obviously go on and on forever. So this is a nice little drop down effect. You click on the question that you're interested in and the answer will drop down. Again, using the visual editor that I'll set up for you and the tutorials that I'll make showing you how everything works, it'll be very easy for you to update everything as often as you see fit. So I'm looking forward to your feedback, John. Thank you so much for your patience. I looked at a lot of websites, including the ones you sent me as an example of what to go by, and what I've done is I put together a site that's very eye-catching but also professional, and a site that has a lot of modern touches to it, such as these little touches here like the drop-down toggles for displaying your different services, and also the things here such as every page has a rotating slideshow on the top portion of the page. I have things like this tabbed area on the About Us page. It's little touches like this that make the site professional looking, modern, but also you don't want to go too overboard and confuse the website visitor. That's why on the home page I've made it a point to really drive home the fact that when you land on this website, these are the three main areas that you want to go to: services, About Us, and the event pictures, because pictures speak 1,000 words, and if people look at pictures of events that you guys have actually been to and had your tables on display, that might be the thing that's going to get them to pick up the phone and call you, or to request a quote for your services. Thank you so much for your patience, John. I look forward to getting your feedback. Once I do, I'll be happy to make any modifications you might see fit, and we can move to phase 2, which is moving the site to your actual domain, setting up the hosting and the tutorials so you can log in and fine-tune the content. Thank you so much.